Spiders in reality. Today we're here with
Kira Beverly.
she's gonna talk more about this in reality about spiders. So let's start. So I have a few questions for you. The first one is why you love spiders so much?
Well, this is a good question because I have always really liked spiders since I was little. I have never been scared of them, which is shocking. Spiders are not only really cool, they're just very aesthetically pleasing to me, but they do also carry a really they're very important to the ecosystem and play a big role in biodiversity. They also control insect populations as well as provide food for other animals. So super important to the food chain and everything all around.
How many types of spiders are there?
So right now we have only, say again.
How many types of spiders are there?
So right now we've only recorded about 50,000 species of spider. But according to arachnologists, there's possibly even 50,000 more spiders we have not discovered yet. So kind of scary or interesting depending on who you are.
Yes. Where do spiders live?
Typically they prefer undisturbed, quiet places like your house. And they do appreciate moisture and places with lots of prey to hunt. And actually, a fact that I learned recently, well, more like months ago, is that if you see a spider in your house, it usually means that you've broken your routine to your day-to-day life, because spiders will learn human and predator routines and try to avoid them. So if you do see one, just, I guess, take it as an accomplishment for breaking your routine.
Are spiders insects?
So this is actually a common misconception. Spiders are not insects, they are arachnids. Insects have usually they have 6 legs, 2 antennae I should say, and a 3-part body containing a head, thorax, and the abdomen. Arachnids only have 2-part bodies. They have 8 legs, and these include scorpions, spiders, ticks, and mites. It's easy to get these mixed up because I don't know if anybody's been in a science class, but arachnids and insects are both under the arthropod scientific class, so easy to mix up.
Do spiders eat their mates after mating?
Some of them do. I think this is pretty cool, actually. Some of the females, including under the blackwood.
How do spiders sense their surroundings?
So spiders have a specific sensory organ called the lyriform, or slit organs, generally located on their legs, sometimes in other parts of their body. Or they have sensitive hairs called trichobothria. Forgive me if I'm mispronouncing that. But they usually sense vibration of movement. So it's not really, even though they have like 8 eyes, they don't really rely on their eyes as much as they do those 2 parts of their body. Typically they can sense predators with this, and also if they have prey like tangled in their web.
Why are we so scared of spiders?
This is such a great question because something that I can't really answer since I am not really scared of them. But it is understandable why people are afraid of them. I imagine it's generally because of the way that they move and how many legs they have. If we look at centipedes, like nobody really likes centipedes because of how many legs they have. And I think this is due to the fact that as humans, this is kind of more of a scientific reason, but as humans, when we see something that has more than 4 legs, not bipedal, not quadrupedal, or has something that's unusual, more than 2 eyes, we get freaked out by it because it's not considered or perceived as normal. So that's probably why, and maybe my brain is messed up because I'm not scared of them. But I don't think we should be so quick to judge and kill spiders because really they're just they're just trying to, live. They pose no threat to us unless we, do something to them first. They're just trying to defend themselves. But there's this poem that I once read called 10 Legs, 8 Broken. And one of the strongest lines I've read in the poem is, "And I'm sorry for scaring you, but I didn't realize being seen would cost me my life." And I just think that's so powerful, and it's just, I can understand. I'm not gonna say that you shouldn't be scared of spiders, because I can understand the fear of spiders, but we shouldn't be so quick to put an end to their life.
I agree. What is your favorite thing about spiders? I mean, you kind of answered that,
Yeah.
but like,
Well,
is there anything that you
Yeah,
really
yeah.
love about them?
The same reason why people fear spiders is the reason why I like spiders. I think they're just so interesting to look at. They've got 8 legs. Usually they're pretty sleek looking, and I don't know, think of Spider-Man. Like, everybody likes Spider-Man. It's just, there's just something so interesting about how they look, and how, I don't know, just how smart. They're so intelligent, especially when they build their webs. Like, if you see a spider web without a spider, it usually means they died, because they will literally pack up their web inside of them and then move to a different place.
Wow.
Yeah. Sometimes they'll even like outline their web so you don't walk into it. It's really cool. I know. So I don't know. I just think everything about them is so cool to me.
Is there any message that you'd like to tell the audience about the conservation of the spiders?
Yes. If I haven't said it already, don't be so quick to hate on the little guys. They're very important to us and the food chain and biodiversity. Any extinction of spiders would lead to a collapse of the food chain. So, I mean, not that would happen like anytime soon, but just saying, it's okay to be afraid of them. Almost everybody's afraid of them, but just try to see reason in respecting them. They're just so important to us, and just trying to live their lives. So
Thank you so much for being here in an interview.
Yeah.
I would appreciate it so much.
yeah, of course. Thank you.